Hey, what's up guys? Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Guys, I'm Martin Unix, and today we are going to bring back the hot braid styles. Guys, we are going to do S braid on dreadlocks. So welcome guys. We are going to do invisible fishtail braid, or in other words guys, you can just call it a Dutch braid. So guys, we have been doing lots of fishtail braids, so today we are just going to touch more on creativity as we improve our styling altogether. So we are going to start our fishtail braid here all the way, and it's gonna take that S shape towards the crown area where we are going to do the finishing kick. Remember guys, we are going to do invisible fishtail braid, and by being invisible guys, it means that the braids will be coming from underneath. That's how you do the Dutch braid. The braids should come from underneath. So we have been doing lots of fishtail braid tutorials guys. So today we are just going to touch more on the techniques on how you can come up with a pleasing style. So let's begin guys. Pick the first strand, pick the next strand, let it come under that way, twist it a little bit so that it comes over, pick the third strand, let it come over that way, then under, that is, then over. That's how you begin guys. Pick the fourth strand, let it come under, then over that way. Then you begin forming your fishtail braid as you work backwards towards the rest of the lock strands. That way guys, you just need to wrap one of the braids around until you reach out the rest of the strands. That way, just wrap that way. Now after reaching this part guys, I've reached out the rest of the strands, so I'll just pick one of the strands that way, let it come from under, incorporate it to the fishtail formation, pick another strand from this side, incorporate it that way. Then I'm gonna wrap just to push my styling ahead so that I can reach out the rest of the strands up to that level. Where now I'm going to pick another strand, let it come from under that way, incorporate it into the styling, then over that way. I'm gonna style a little bit using such strand that way. Pick another strand, this time around from this side, let it come from underneath that way guys. That's how you begin your fishtail braid, which is kinda invisible. Alright, so guys, let's pick strands as we move on. Remember guys, we are going to take the corner here, and you need to be keen on this part because here is where most of the beginners will get lost. So just pick your strand, let it come from underneath that way, and just to hasten the corner guys, you need to wrap around twice on the right side. Just wrap it around twice that way, then let your strand come to the other side. Pick another strand guys, from this side, that way. Let it come from underneath. Then at the right side, we are going to row up twice, that way, so that you can easen the corner. So let's pick this strand from the farthest side. Remember guys, this is how you section your braids as you braid your fishtail. Pick strands from this side. So let's pick another braid from this side, just to balance our styling. So let's pick another braid. Let it come from underneath. Remember now guys, I'm working from backwards. If you are new here guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my work, comment positively guys, and share to your friends. You can as well guys choose to join membership on my YouTube channel and share my work to your platforms. Since guys, we have been giving lots of tutorials on fishtail, today we are touching more on the technique that we have been learning all together. So let's do the S braid, just to maintain a nice corner with easiness guys. I think I've elaborated further as I was styling guys. There are times I used to go twice on the right side and once on the left side, just to increase the volume on the right side and enable our fishtail to maneuver around and take a nice corner. That way guys, now I will be styling my fishtail to the crown area. We are almost the center part. So just incorporate your lock strands as you move onwards, and in order to stay neat guys, you can have a look here. I've chosen to braid the strands which are below this line. Now after reaching this part guys, I've chosen to pick strands from this side, in a way that the strands are well managed. You can have a look guys. So let's move on. So this is how you work from backwards as you make your fishtail braid. You just pick strands guys with easiness. That way, incorporate your strands to the fishtail formation. That way, you can pick another strand from this area just to balance your fishtail. That way, but this time round guys, I'm gonna row up this strand twice on this side. That way, I'm gonna let it come hunter, then to the right side, just to hand volume on this side, as well as taking the corner. That way, it's quite simple guys. To our pro stylists, to our beginners guys, you need to work hard. As you take your corner, pick another strand from the left side. That way, pick another strand from this area, let it come under, then over to the right side, pick your next strand. As you maneuver around, pick the last braid from this side. Come hunter, then over. That way. It's quite simple guys. Just pick strands on certain formation. I hope you can get what I'm doing guys. Since seeing is better than hearing, I understand I'm walking you through the styling process with easiness, and you can catch up. This is an S braid guys. But guys, I'm working from backwards for more tutorials on how to do fishtail braid for beginners, guys, you can visit my channel, guys. So before you start doing this technique we are doing here, guys, you need to learn more. You need to learn more styles for beginners, so just visit my channel for such. Today, guys, we are touching more on skills by bringing back the old traditional braiding, guys. So we are bringing back the traditional braiding by forming this S braid. So, guys, you just need to master what I'm doing. Remember to subscribe on my YouTube channel, like my work, comment and share to your friends. So pick strands, guys, from both sides. Let them come from underneath that way, so that you can come up with this kind of invisible fishtail braid. It's kind of Dutch braid, guys. It's only that now we are dealing with the dreadlocks, guys. So now, guys, we are approaching the crown area, and after reaching this part you realize that I will begin tilting my fishtail in a certain angle, just to give it a touch of style at the crown area. I want to incline my fishtail in a way. So this is the finishing area, guys, and just to ensure that our braid takes that S shape, we need to keep our braid winding, guys. We need to keep our braid curved. Just pick your strands one after the other. Remember, guys, just sharing creative ideas that you can put on practice and advance your creativity. That's how you do the S braid, guys. So this is our final strand, and at this level we will ensure that our braid takes the final turn by curving totally that way. So we are going to finish off by doing an infinity braid. Well, guys, infinity braid is whereby you usually create that finger eight by wrapping your strands on both sides, creating finger eight that way all the way back. That's just creative ideas for you, guys. Alright, guys, now we are done with our S braid as I promised. Now I left out two strands here just to to hand some decorations on our crown area, and this is how I'm gonna do it, guys. I'm gonna do a twist out here on these two braids. Remember, guys, it's festive season and we need to hand some creative ideas on our styling so that our styles can be on a top notch. So let's hand some decorations, guys. Just identify the center and place it like that. Then wrap around all the way. That's an easy way of placing the decorations. Do the same on the other side, that way. So, guys, after placing your ornaments on such strands, just place them at the crown area. So we are going to disguise the gap which appeared to be underneath the fishtail formation, as well as hunting decoration on our styling. And now this is our final outcome, guys. You can have a look. This is our S Braid on dreadlocks, guys. We have done an invisible fishtail braid. You can as well, guys, call it Dutch braid, because the braids come from underneath. That way, guys, you make sure that the braids interlock from underneath as they come upwards. And it's an S braid, guys. It's wow, it's lovely. You can have a look, guys. It's amazing, guys. You can try out this one. It's a nice style for festive season. It's a nice style for our pro stylists, guys. For beginners, you can visit the channel, guys. Sharpen your skills before you start doing this kind of style. On the channel, guys, I have more styles for beginners. So you need to kick off by mastering the techniques so that you can, advance your techniques and come up with this kind of S braid. Thank you, guys, for being there. Thank you for watching, and I hope my tutorial has been truly stimulating, guys, as well as being educative. And I want to urge you guys to support my channel by joining membership. You can share my work, guys, like and subscribe if you are new here. Thank you, guys. Let's meet in the next tutorial.